Hello, LBB. This is Santoshi, a cybersecurity architect and a content creator, and a home decor enthusiast too. Welcome to my home tour. So I have heard that many people saying the entryway should be grand, but I say it should be with lots of greenery because I'm also a plant parent. It somehow feels that I'm very close to nature and I have 50 plus plants in my entire house, and I just love seeing them and pampering them every day. So as soon as you enter, you see my living room, and each and every wall has my heart, and every corner is designed by myself without any interior designer's help. And this particular wall has my heart, has history from past 5 years. So from the marriage to my pregnancy, my baby, this whole world has a history. So the most peaceful thing in the entire house is this particular corner where I have my Krishna ji, and I pray each and every day. It's just like 5 minutes I pray, but I feel so relaxed, so warm. Sitting at this corner, I feel the peace. The beauty of my house is I can also see the sunrise and also the sunset from the balcony. And sunrise from this big, beautiful window in the living room, and also from the kitchen as well. So I can enjoy the sun 24/7 every day, each and every day. I think that's the beauty of my house. And coming to the living room, I have this 2+3 seater sofa, which is really comfortable whenever the guests come, whenever we are as a family chilling around. And I love to decorate my home with the natural flowers, plants, basically natural things. So if you ask me the theme, what is the theme of your house? I say it's completely a nature theme, because you see plants, you see flowers, you see the floral curtains hanging around, you see many bird prints, everything, something which is related to nature, like animals and many other stuff. And while making interiors, I was very particular about the TV unit because I really didn't want it to go with a heavy one. I really wanted a simple one. So I made this very aesthetic, pleasing, eye-pleasing, and also a bit of greens here and there, and lots of gold elements on the top. And this is the most beautiful space in the entire house, and this is my kitchen. It's completely white and lots of greens around the kitchen, and super ventilated, and a sun-kissed kitchen every morning. So this is so aesthetic in every corner because I made it like that. And since I'm also a content creator, I made each and every corner in the kitchen to be very aesthetic. And on the top of my breakfast counter, I have so many plants hanging here because that's how I love it. A morning with a coffee or tea, sitting in these chairs, watching the sunrise, and a gentle moment every morning starts very fresh for me. And this is a very special corner for me in the entire kitchen. I'm a crockery addict. I collect so many crockery which are so eye-pleasing, and that's how I love it. You see, many of the stuff here are cute, so aesthetic and eye-pleasing too. And this is my dining area where 6 people can easily accommodate, and I have a convertible dining table here which is so comfortable, so classy, and it's white again. And in the dining area, we have this gallery wall which has so many memories. We love to travel. The way we collect the fridge magnets, I also choose one photo from all of our travels and place it here. So this makes us feel to travel more. And we love hosting, and we have all those essentials here for this crazy party nights. And beside this, I have this wall painting, the Pichwai wall painting, so which gives me so much of positive sign. And according to the Vastu, it is very much good to have a Kamadhenu in the house, anywhere in the house, because that gives so much of positivity. And the dining area opens up to the balcony. So this is my beautiful balcony where you could see lots and lots of greens. I usually enjoy my evenings with a cup of tea and also a beautiful sunset. So this is my baby girl's little world, her room. Lots and lots of love, which is overflowing with her favorite soft toys. So the color theme is of course pink and also nature inspired, where you could see butterflies on the wardrobes, the rainbow on the top, and the stars on the walls. Of course, the whole room is her favorite, but her special favorite is the soft toys. She loves cuddling with the soft toys. And my favorite is these two photo frames where she has all her birth history, how many kgs, when she's born, at what place she is born. And the next frame is all about her first year, when she got her first tooth, when she could stand up herself, and all the stuff. And I especially wanted to talk about this bed, which has a history, which is like 10 years old. We initially used this as a divan cart in the living room, but then later I converted into her bed. So this is a convertible bed and which can be extended. So when her cousins are around, she can happily sleep, have a sleep overnights as well, and then feel so cozy, so warm here. So I have a little space in her room. So this is my favorite corner and her favorite corner too. This is my work desk, where you see all the eye-pleasing, the cuter stuff around, because I sit more than 10 hours in a day here to work. I work from home, so I feel this place needs some attention and also the eye-pleasingness everywhere. And this wall has my character, who loves to create content, who loves greenery around, and who loves to be passionate all the time. And this beautiful painting was done by my friend, who is Mahi. This represents me, who loves to be trendy all the time, who loves the greenery, and who loves creating the content. This is our master bedroom with a very minimal decor and a pastel colors with lots of natural light coming in. So this is the most beautiful corner in the room, which is my dressing area, which has Victorian long mirror. This is so functional yet classy. Okay, while deciding interiors, I had so many thoughts regarding this wall. So what color I have to go with, what wallpapers that I have to go with, I had so many thoughts. I wanted something really in pastel colors, but definitely not pink. Then decided with this wallpaper, where you see the animals out there, because the whole house is nature theme. So I went with this wallpaper. And Krishna ji is my favorite god, and you can spot him in every room. I live with my in-law and she loves yellow. And you see a bit of nature theme in this room as well. Thank you so much for watching. For more such content, check out lbb.in.